Understanding Student Associations. A guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important topic, especially for students and those involved in academic environments. Student associations. These organizations play a significant role in university life around the world. But what exactly are they? Stay with us as we explore their meaning, purpose, and why they might matter to you. A student association refers to an organization, typically within a college or university, that is formed and run by students to support the interests of its membership. These groups are often focused on a wide range of activities and objectives, from academic and professional development to social issues and recreational interests. They provide a platform for students to engage with one another, share experiences, and work collectively on projects or causes that are important to them. Joining a student association can offer numerous benefits. These organizations not only help students to connect with peers who have similar interests or academic goals, but also offer valuable opportunities for personal and professional growth. Here are some key benefits. Networking. Meeting other students, faculty, and even professionals in your field of interest. Skill development. Many associations organize workshops, seminars, and events that can help you develop new skills. Leadership opportunities. Taking on a leadership role within an association can enhance your resume and provide practical experience in managing teams and projects. Community service. Some associations focus on giving back to the community through volunteer work, which can be a rewarding experience. There are various types of student associations, each catering to different interests and needs. These include academic associations, focus on specific academic disciplines, offering resources and events related to that field of study. Cultural and international associations aim to celebrate cultural diversity and provide a support network for international students. Social issues and advocacy groups focus on raising awareness and advocating for causes such as environmental protection, human rights, and more. Recreational and hobby clubs provide a space for students to engage in activities like sports, arts, and other hobbies. Getting involved in a student association is usually straightforward. Here are some steps you can follow. Research. Find out which associations exist at your university and what they offer. Attend events. Many associations hold introductory meetings or social events. Attending these can give you a better sense of the group's activities and goals. Volunteer. Offering to help with events or projects can be a great way to become more involved and make a meaningful contribution. Apply for membership or leadership positions. If you're interested in taking a more active role, consider applying for membership or even a position on the executive team. We hope this video has shed some light on what student associations are and why they could be a valuable part of your university experience. Whether you're looking to develop new skills, meet like-minded individuals, or simply enjoy new experiences, there's likely a student association that fits your interests. Don't hesitate to take that first step and get involved. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your academic and extracurricular endeavors.